I am so excited I have skills. I didn't even know that I can actually cut down a tree for myself. So I'm out here in my yard and I ordered me a little thing off of Amazon that says it can cut down trees. So hey, I don't have money to pay for everything. Some things I have to do for myself. So I ordered this little thing off of Amazon, and I tell you, it is awesome. It's called a little mini chainsaw, $30. So if you have any branches or little things in the yard that you need to get rid of, and of course you single and you got to do it by yourself, for yourself and everything, or you may not want everybody coming over to your house, you can just order this off of Amazon. And look at here. Look at here, look at here, look at this. This is my first tree that I chopped down. You see how wide it is, right? Yeah, that much of a diameter, maybe 4. Ooh, it's kind of heavy, but you see that? See how tall my trees are? Wow, so that baby was in my way. So I said, I'm just gonna try to cut it down. And look how tall it is. Look how tall it is. Look how wide it is. Oh, wow. And it goes all the way back. I think this tree, it might be 20 feet. It may be 20 feet. And I knocked it down. I knocked it down with my little new Amazon chainsaw, mini chainsaw. $30. So you women out there that don't always have the money to pay somebody to get the job done, you could probably do it yourself if you're not fearful and you check out the measurements and make sure if it falls, it ain't gonna knock you upside the head and knock you out where can't nobody find out what's going on with you. So I'm just chilling, working on my little projects, listening to my music in my backyard, having FUN, fun, this 4th of July weekend. So I love you. I like to share things when I find out things, because sometimes people don't always share things. But believe me, if I have a good tip or know something that can benefit us women, especially us older women, I'm going to do it. So enjoy your evening.
All right, so far with this saw, I've cut all this, much more. And let me see if I can do this. Here's with the same chain, and let's see what we can do. Good. One-handed with a dull-ass chain. This thing kicks ass. Words cannot explain how good it is.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you got little small projects to do, that little tool right there is awesome. You can do it on your own. Don't have to wait for no man. Don't have to use no big chainsaw, which I'm scared of big chainsaws. So I got that right there off of Amazon on sale for 35 bucks. I suggest every lady get them one and use it.
por la confianza y por el tip. No.